get started to listen fairy tale.
A Fox and a Crow. Once upon a time, there was a fox living in the forest. One day, he came and sat under a tree, which a crow was perching on. The fox wanted to eat, so he said to the crow, "You are the loveliest bird I have never seen. You have the smoothest and brightest feather in the world, and the sharpened beak I have never seen in my life. If you sing, perhaps your voice is as sharp as a cicada. You must be the queen of all the birds." The crow heard the fox admiring her. She was very happy and descended quickly from the tree. Suddenly, the fox caught her before she touched the ground. What a pity! Finally, the crow was eaten by the fox. Thank you for watching this video.